That's not true, brother. I wouldn't be alive if it wasn't for you. Neither would Luke.
You're awake.
We're almost at the underworld. Kinda hard to sleep.
What if it's a mistake? Guys, what if Hades isn't really the thief? What if we're doing this wrong?
We're here.
Are we sure we're ready? Not at all. Let's go. This must be it. DOA records.
Kind of weird. I kind of expected there to be more monsters.
Yeah, who knew the lobbies of the underworld would be so...
So dead. Are you guys going down?
That's Cheryl. Throw him into the underworld. We need to get to Hades.
You don't look dead. Read the sign. No soliciting, no loitering, no living.
We would be very dead.
Yeah, we all drowned in the bathtub.
All three of us.
Yeah.
Big bathtub. Passage across the river Styx isn't free. With adults, I usually charge their credit card bill, or add the ferry price to their last cable bill. But children, well, they never die prepared. Go drachmas. You guys are half-bloods.
Is that a problem?
Not at all. You know, the ferryman thing is just a day job. My real passion is music. Want to hear my demo?
I got water. I mean,
Tight schedule, saving the
bathtub.
world, and all, you know.
Yeah.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you over this sweet-ass riff.
Personally, I kind of do.
Seen plenty of people all over the years, from heroes to half-bloods with their pitiful tears, thinking that they'll save the loved one from below. They think they'll pop down for a quick trip. So kids, here's a tip. You ain't getting out. We got you and we ain't letting go. Down here you're DOA and you're here to stay. Yeah, you're stuck forever, never get away. No hope for survival. You're dead on arrival. What do you think of my song?
Is that Michael Jackson?
We have all the greats down here. Mozart, Janis Joplin, Kurt Cobain. Who do you feel like listening to?
Do you have any Josh Groban?
We will, eventually. I buried the souls of the newly deceased. I got a squeak ride. It was newly leased. And if the dead complain, I just turn up the stereo.
We get our kings across the river Styx. It's a permanent trip, so don't try no tricks. The Tigers runs the show.
Who has 2 turntables and 3 sick heads? Everybody give it up for DK Samurai!
That's a dog. Ah.
Down here you're DOA